woke up on the beautiful island of St Lucia, and we have a surprise for you guys today. Actually, it's a surprise for her. She has no idea what we have planned for her today. Something really special, and I can't wait for you guys to see it.
This is where we're meeting Vicky, the owner of a 40-foot sailboat.
So now you know what we're doing. What are we doing, babe?
We're going sailing.
Yep, down the coast of St Lucia. A couple hours. Go have a cocktail somewhere, a restaurant. 2 to 3 hours back.
Okay. Sounds good.
Vicky and her husband own a business called First for Sale. For a very reasonable price, they will take you down the coast of St Lucia and let you do as much hands-on or hands-off as you want sailing the vessel.
I think we all need to do that. We're lacking sun. Huh, babe? That's attractive.
Thank you.
After getting a safety briefing from the captain, we headed south down the coast to Marigot Bay.
Honestly, it's better than what most people call me. Captain Donna.
Oh, I need to get a picture. I gotta see.
No,
you do.
But you're cute.
Captain Vicky quickly put us to work. Kurt's up there hoisting the mainsail. I'm going to call her Captain Vicky because honestly I don't know her last name and I don't mean any disrespect.
Let out our jib sail. So you're going to be pulling it,
Okay.
and then you're going to start winching it. And the green line that runs down the side of the boat is attached to that furling line at the front there, the furling drum. I'm going to release that, and that dictates how much we're going to let out. We're going to let it all out, but we're going to do it quite slowly.
But I can tell you Vicky is an amazing instructor, has an incredible amount of patience, and she will teach you full course sailing if you want. The salty air, the wind, and even the occasional rainstorm coming through. This is an adventure that you definitely need to try to do.
This side.
Oh, with wine glasses.
It's constant adjustment, huh?
Yeah,
Yeah.
small adjustments as well.
Small, yeah. It's kind of like driving our old Jeep. Playing the power steering was horrible.
Yeah, right, yeah.
Right when you felt it turn, that's when you got to start turning the other way.
Exactly. Well, you're used to it then.
Yeah.
We would love it if you hit that subscribe button and follow us on our future travels, such as traveling to other countries, paddleboarding, scuba, RVing, and mountain biking.
What is it over here? Oh, this is amazing. Just can't help but relax.
So hitting that like button and leaving us a comment, one, lets us know that we're doing the right thing, and we truly love hearing from you guys. We had a strong breeze kick up and the boat started feeling pretty good. But with Kurt at the helm, we have no problems. You could see Captain Vicky's assistant, the gentleman in the white shirt, giving some very good instructions to Kurt, making sure everything goes smooth. His name is, well, it's pronounced Hey There.
Give me a pose, work it. But you keep that
The reason I'm hiding downstairs putting on sunscreen is because I forgot to put it on. Donna's always on me about doing that. I didn't want her knowing I forgot. I guess that means she cares. Rain squall ahead. Will we miss it?
I got it.
How far down does this go?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Movement. Pull those reefing lines, please.
Just to be safe, we thought we'd furl the
And
sails.
that's it. Don't worry about them anymore. Good job.
And again, this is stuff none of us have ever done, but Vicky was so
Stop right
patient
there.
and taught us
A
well.
little bit more down. Good job, guys. Bit of teamwork here.
Pose. Come on, pose.
He give you the same pose I
You're really
did.
looking like.
Yeah, that's exactly. Sounds like he had the white knuckle grip on it.
No. Speedboat.
Oh yeah.
Just leave that closed until we get into the bay. It's a good safety habit to get into. It's not to open that while we're at sea. Yeah, close it. Because we are still at sea.
Up here to the left, you see the entrance to Marigot Bay. This is where we're going to have some lunch and some cocktails. We got lucky and missed that rain squall. The only bit of rain we got is a slight little drizzle. I think you could see it on the camera. Marigot Bay is referred to as a hurricane hole, meaning that it's relatively safe from hurricanes. Even insurance companies and boating publications refer to it as this. Our friend Hey There is trying to wave down the guy in the dinghy
My friend,
to negotiate a price for taxiing us over to the restaurant.
speak to me. I need to get you there and bring it back to people later on.
We soon learned that the guy in the dinghy, his name is Enron.
Wait, too fucking.
This is where we're having lunch, cocktails, and celebrate Donna's birthday. I gotta tell you, I had the fish tacos and they were delicious.
Babe, take your shirt off.
Here you go.
I know what you're saying.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait. And the birthday girl? Okay, let's sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Donna. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
This bay had such a chill vibe to it, I definitely think I could spend about a month here. Enron's taking us back to the boat.
What'd you say your name was?
Yeah?
Enron.
Enron. Around 24.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's my place.
Beautiful. Did you say your house is here?
I have one here and I have one here. So here's the one.
Oh, in the water.
Yeah.
Oh, you live on that?
Sometimes.
Beautiful really? Life.
Looking at the water, I so wanted to jump in and do some snorkeling or scuba diving. Actually, that's one of our up and coming videos, Scuba Diving St. Lucia.
Now come that way a bit. This way a little bit. This way, towards me. Nope.
Captain Vicky is putting us back to work. We all had our jobs. We're actually getting pretty good at this.
And one more. Yes. 3 turns round the winch, please.
The only thing that would have made this shot any better is if we miraculously had some dolphins come up and ride the bow wave. Pam takes the helm while Tammy and Donna chill up front.
Yep.
As we approach Rodney Bay, Vicky was trying to teach us how to tack into the wind.
Ready.
Going about!
I think we did pretty good for a bunch of rookies.
Keep turning. Keep going. And pull.
There was definitely a lot going on and it was definitely exciting.
And winch.
Right here?
Yeah.
This was truly a once-in-a-lifetime experience for our crew.
There you go, it's going now. I think it wants to stop a little bit. Keep that tension on there, keep the tension on. Drop down a little bit. Yeah. So now what I'm doing, I've got the line. Okay.
I'm sure Captain Vicky was relieved we didn't crash her boat, but coming into Rodney Bay, she took over the helm and hey there, started putting out the bumpers, getting ready to go to the dock. Hey, I want to thank you for joining us on our sailing adventure in St. Lucia. It's definitely a memorable day. As I work on our Dive St. Lucia video, click on the bottom left and watch our Dive Cozumel video. I think you'll enjoy it. And thank you for watching.